Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, mark the contact that you wish to block, select Edit and mark Add Photo. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me just reopen it. Pick the picture that you want to apply, customize it however you like, so you can crop it, zoom it in, out, rotate it, just as you like, then click on Save Copy, tap on Save to apply the change, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to this contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.